A contemporary poster combines clean structure with modern visual details to create a fresh appearance. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a neutral or modern background, then open the Elements panel and select simple geometric shapes with clean edges. Arrange a few large shapes behind the product and use smaller shapes as subtle accents around the text. Upload your product image and place it where it becomes the strongest visual element. Add a modern headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using simple sans serif fonts. Keep the color palette limited to a few coordinated colors and use one accent shade to highlight important